Hello everyone, this is Brandon Bischoff from Ahead Cloud Managed Services. This is a quick video overview of the CloudCheckr platform and the platform interface. I'm going to jump straight into the solution itself. CloudCheckr is a pretty good tool. It gives you a capability to monitor and check your security stance in the public cloud. It also helps you take a look at your costs and savings information, and also makes sure that you're in compliance with over 30 regulatory frameworks, and we got some automation abilities there as well. Let's start with the landing page. First page you see is dashboards. This is customizable. You can adapt or change this to whatever information you need to see. The real value from here is the best practices tab. In the best practices tab, we have several important features here. Mainly, you can hop between your accounts in the views you need to see using the filters above, but also you have the 5 sub menus underneath here where it talks about the security, cost, availability, usage, and in this case, an AWS Trusted Advisor list of activities that need to be remediated or reviewed for each cloud instance. I'm going to focus on cost because that's where we're concerned today. As you can see, they're broken down into color-coded meanings, red being bad, green being good, blue being informational, and then yellow and orange in between. So let's grab one of the red ones. When you click on the interface, it does take a moment to open up, but once it does, it gives you all of the information, including the instance, some basic technical information, and predicted costs. All of this to say that in this particular case, we could potentially turn off any of these EC2 instances that appear to be idle. Now they give you more information, so you can see what category it falls under, what type of importance. In this case, it's high, with a little bit more clarity around the information. When you go to the security tab, you have the same features and functionalities that you do within the cost tab. It presents to you the account, the actual ID of the account, and then it gives you the option, again, to look at that trend line over the last 30 days of how this error occurred. So from here, you can kind of see it peaked back here a couple of days back, and then it dropped a little lower here at the end of last month. We can dive into those things and look for causation and correlation and seeing what's going on. But again, all just great information. Last thing I'll talk about today is total compliance. From the fly menu, that is the blue ribbon with the checkbox in it, takes you to the total compliance dashboard. From here, you can see basic compliance overview of your different environment. In this case, we're doing pretty badly, and that's okay because it's simply just a demo environment. There's well over 30 frameworks in here, so you should be able to find most of the common ones in here. Plenty of NIST ones, PCI, as well as HIPAA. So we'll dive into one of these real quick here. So let's jump into HIPAA. From HIPAA, it gives you all of the controls that you need to meet. And when you dive in, you then have the opportunity to say how you're going to meet or don't meet these compliance. And then once you get in there and you set in your remediation comment, you'll start to see that your percentage of compliance will go up. And this is something that we can work with you through as we clean up your cloud environments. Thank you for watching this brief overview. I hope this was insightful and gave you the information that you need to have a little more confidence in the Ahead Cloud Managed Services team in how we create our Cloud Insights reports and provide you with the detailed information you need about your cloud security and cloud cost management.